So, you're wondering how to send parcels? Good thing you clicked on this video then, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I send my parcels from my Depop shop. I'll be showing you all the supplies that I use to send my parcels, and I'm going to show you every step that I take to send my parcels so you can do the same. But we're going to start off with the supplies you're going to need, and the first thing you're going to need, which is probably the most basic supply for sending parcel, are poly mailers. You could say I have 1 or 2 poly mailers. I use 2 different sizes of poly mailers. I think these are 12 by 14 or 12 by 16, and I bought them from Amazon for only £12 and you get 100 of them. You can buy grey ones on eBay and get like 500 of them for £12, which really is quite a better deal than the deal I got. But to be honest, I like the coloured ones and I think they kind of add to the experience. And then we've got slightly smaller orange ones for your t-shirts and your polo shirts and any other smaller items that you might be sending. As you can see, there is quite a bit difference in the size of the poly mailers. As I said, these are more for sweatshirts, trousers, and these are more for polos and t-shirts. Then your second supply that you're going to need, especially if you're sending through Hermes, which are these label sleeves, which you'll see how they work very soon. But these are about £3 for like 100 of them, which is quite a good deal. These are 100% better than sellotaping your shipping labels on, like I used to do, for 2 reasons. It's a lot easier than slapping loads of sellotape on your parcel, and as well, they're a lot cheaper than using loads of sellotape. Thinking about it, I think I need to get some more soon. And then the next thing I put in my order are these cards. I would call them business cards, but I don't think I'm legit enough for that. What they've got on the back, they've literally just got my YouTube and they've got my Instagram account, so people who receive orders from me can go follow me on both of them. These are really good if you've got an Instagram link to your Depop shop, because it will really help boost the amount of followers you have in your Instagram. And as well, you're more likely to have returning customers, just where they're constantly seeing your stock on their Instagram, so they're likely to come back. If you don't want to buy business cards, because they are a little bit pricey, they're not too pricey though. For 250 of these cards, front and back print, it cost me £25 from Vistaprint. If you only wanted a one-side print, it was only like £14. But if you don't want to be spending that kind of money, because I know I didn't want to at a point, I just used to write mine out on card, which people really do like the handwritten style. But the only thing with that, they would take me about 10 minutes to do each time. But when you've got multiple orders to do at once, that can get very time consuming and very tedious. And then the last thing I like to put in my orders are just Haribos. People really like it. These really don't cost much at all. I think it was like £2 or £3 for 60 packs. I think it worked out at less than 10p a pack. So they really don't cost a lot, but they really make a big impact on people when they receive them in their orders. Now you know all the supplies, let's actually get on to packaging the parcel. And the item that we're going to be sending today is this black Ralph Lauren polo. But the first thing that we've done, as I was talking about earlier, is write out the person's name on the card. All I literally did was just write it on with a Sharpie, but something small like this really does make a big impact. Just where now the order is somewhat personalised to the person. And as you can see, this is a more close-up of the back. Just got my YouTube and my Instagram in there, nothing too special. This is the process of how I like to send my parcels. We're literally just going to start off by folding the item up, because you don't want to just screw it up and throw it in your poly mailer. You want it to look nice when the person receives it, because what's the biggest thing you remember when you buy something? How it arrives. So if it doesn't arrive to the person very nicely, they're not going to be very happy. But we're just going to choose a random pack of Haribos, and we've got giant straws, the best Haribos in the game. And then on top of them, we're just going to throw our little thank you card that we've already written out, fold it over into the middle, and then fold it in half once again, so you got a nice neat little parcel now. Grab one of your poly mailers, spot on, almost like I've done this before, but just kind of sliding our polo into the poly mailer now, trying to make sure it holds some of its shape. Taking off the little plastic thing and folding it over. I like to pull out the edges, you'll see why in a moment. Just getting out one of our label sleeves now. As you can see, all you do is literally just peel the paper off the back to reveal the sticky adhesive, and try and stick it on as straight as physically possible. I don't think I've done too bad of a job with that one. Squeeze out all the air. All we've got to do now is add our shipping label, and we've got to stick the sides down, because if you can put your hands in the side of the parcel parcel, you need to cover up them gaps because it is very easy for something to get stuck in that in postage and rip it apart, which you do not want happening. But as I said, we're going to get our shipping label now. If you're wondering, I ship through Hermes. If you want to know how to do that, the link to that video will be up in the cards and in the description for when you're done with this video. But let's go print out the label for it. But now we've printed off our shipping label, all we got to do is just cut it out, slide it into our label sleeve, peel off the end and stick it together, and there you go, you've completed your parcel. But as I was saying about the ends, this is literally all you got to do, just stick over the ends. So there's literally no holes at the end and there's no way your parcel's going to be able to get ripped. Boom bow. Fully completed parcel to collect from the parcel shop. If you got that boom bow reference, big up to you. But as I said, your parcel is now fully complete, ready to go drop at the parcel shop, all ready to go take to the post office. But if you did enjoy this video, or if you have now learnt how to send your parcels, or learnt any tips on how to send your parcels, please drop the video a like, it'd be so appreciated, and subscribe to my channel to help me hit 1k by the end of the year, and of course to never miss content like this in the future. But it's literally so simple to send your parcels. This is how I package all my parcels for my Depop shop. This is probably the most efficient way to do it. It literally only takes me 1 to 2 minutes, say, per parcel, where before it was taking me almost 15 minutes. But once again, as I said, if you did enjoy the video, please drop it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.
Yes, I'm in designer. If I see her, then I got her, bro. Yes, I am a dog with these diamonds on my collar, and that's why I got your girl head banging, so they calling me Nirvana. No, I'm not her daddy, but she calling me her papa. Touchdown when I land, dog, I need that bad to go. I just need a check, I need a couple grand for that show. I don't got no time to waste.